Mason Pot fam, let's make some potent infused coconut oil today using the Mason Pot kit. We have what's probably about 10 grams of shake here, but no matter how much you're using, I'll show you how to make it as potent as possible. Simply dump it in the Mason Pot jar, take the lid with the silicone ring and screw it right on there, tighten the band firmly, and then we're gonna take the probe piece of the thermometer and insert it right through that silicone hole. Make sure the probe hits the bottom. This is gonna give you the most accurate temperature range possible. Then we're simply gonna turn on our thermometer. We're gonna set it for a 40-minute timer, and we're gonna do 240 degrees for 40 minutes total here. You can simply clamp the thermometer on, it's magnetic on your oven, or there's a handy little stand on the back you could prop it up with too. Set it right in the middle there. You can also use a baking sheet there if that's something you prefer, is also a nice option. Now let's get it going for that 40 minutes. As soon as that 40 minutes is up, what we're gonna do is go ahead and take it out. See, it's right around that mark, 241 here. Timer is up. Now let's grab that right out. And then we're just gonna let it cool on the counter for a little bit. This is important to let the vapors settle. You know, if you open it right away, you're gonna lose some potency and some terpenes. So we're like 87, that's cool. At that same time, I just put this coconut oil in the oven to let it melt down. That's kind of the key. So you can just barely top the flour, or you could also use MCT oil, but the key is just barely getting it above the flour for that most potent product. Also, look at the color. When you decarb, there should be a little brown hue to the flour. Now let's simply go ahead, dump that coconut oil in, and right until it just tops it off, barely. Again, you can add as much as you like, but this is about being as potent as possible. Oh, whoa, see? I hope you're a little, better than me today, but it's all gravy. We got the microfiber cloth, just wipe it right up. And let's see here, hopefully we get a little better zoom in, and we are perfect, perfect. See, it barely tops. That's gonna be a nice batch right there. Screw the lid back on. Make sure that probe is still hitting the bottom there. We're gonna put it in the oven for 200 degrees for 2 hours, but the recommended range in general is 190 to 220. So an hour is up, it's at 203. We can give it a little swirl here as we reset the timer for another 61 minutes. It should be 60. I just feel it 61 today. I'm being goofy. So just take it out if you want to, give it a little swirl. Again, not necessary, but just a nice little extra touch if you can. Okay, the next hour is up, so 2 hours total is up. It hit a little higher temp at 217. Whoa, dude, I'm kind of crazy today, man. So don't knock your jar over like that, but it didn't spill anything because we got a nice tight seal and a silicone ring on there. Now unscrew that lid, simply place it to the side. Now we're gonna get ready to press this out. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna put your fine strainer, any jar, Mason Pot jar, whatever you have handy. Then we're simply gonna drop the puck inside of the jar here today. Perfect. Now let's press it down. And as you see through the back of the pot hole, we'll press it. Nice firm press. I like just using my finger like that. And we'll just strain it right through there, my friends. And when it's in this position, I like giving it an extra press, holding it for a little bit. This way you're getting all of that liquid gold out, and it's gonna be perfect, guys. Look at this. That color's looking nice. This is gonna be a nice, potent batch today. Now you have your infused coconut oil just to take straight up, add to your coffee, put it in smoothies. I like even putting it in a little gummy mold just straight up as the coconut oil, so you have a perfect little cube dose every time. This is good to pop in whatever you're feeling. Those are some of the ways I like to use it. And look, just letting it strain out a little bit for you. The fine strainer catches anything it wouldn't. And thanks again, guys, for chilling with the Mason Pot fam. Even though I was a little clumsy today, I hope you don't mind. And I really do appreciate you guys chilling with the Mason Pot fam. So truly, guys, thank you.